Good day, everyone. It is our pleasure to present our topic on Malaysia, a country located in Southeast Asia that is widely recognized for its rich cultural heritage, diverse population, and remarkable economic and tourism development. As a nation shaped by the traditions of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous communities, Malaysia offers a unique blend of cultures, customs, and cuisines.
Malaysia. It is well known for its multicultural society with Malays, Chinese, Indians, and indigenous groups living together. This diversity is reflected in its language, religions, festivals, tradition, and food. Due to its strategic location, Malaysia has been a center of trade and cultural exchange, contributing its rich history and economic growth. Today, it is recognized for its modern cities, beautiful natural landscape, and strong tourism industry.
Malaysia is a Southeast Asian country renowned for its multicultural society, thriving economy, and breathtaking natural landscapes. It is home to diverse ethnic groups, including Malays, Chinese Indians, and indigenous communities, whose traditions and cultures have shaped the nation's unique identity. Due to its strategic location, Malaysia has historically served as a crossroads for trade, migration, and cultural exchange. This has contributed to its rich heritage while also strengthening its connections with the global community. From its modern city to skylines to its ancient rainforests, Malaysia offers a remarkable balance of tradition and progress, make it one of the most fascinating countries in Southeast Asia. With that overview, let us now explore Malaysia's history, culture, famous attractions, cuisine, and the many aspects that make this country truly unique.
Malaysia's history began with early kingdoms that became important trading centers in Southeast Asia because of their strategic location. Many traders from China, India, and the Middle East visited the region to exchange goods. Along with the trade, they also introduced different cultures, religion, language, and traditions which helped shape Malaysia's identity. Malaysia gained its independence from the United Kingdom on August 31, 1957, which marked the beginning of its journey as a self-governing nation. In 1963, Malaysia was officially formed by uniting Malaya, Sabah, Sarawak, and Singapore. However, Singapore became an independent country in 1965. Today, Malaysia is known for its rich history, cultural diversity, and modern development, making it one of the most progressive countries in the Southeast Asia. The official language of Malaysia is Malay, also known as Bahasa Malaysia. It is used in schools, government offices, and official communication. However, many Malaysians also speak English, Chinese, Tamil, and different indigenous language because the country is home to people from many cultural backgrounds. This makes Malaysia a multi-language and culturally diverse nation. Next is the indigenous people. Malaysia is home to many indigenous groups, especially in the states of Sabah and Sarawak. These communities have their own language, traditions, customs, and unique ways of life. They play an important role in preserving Malaysia's cultural heritage and history. Lastly, the cultural integration. Malaysia is a country where people from different ethnic and religious backgrounds live together peacefully. They respect each other's beliefs, traditions, and celebrations while sharing their own culture. This unity in diversity helps create harmony and strengthens the country's nation's identity.
People of Malaysia. Malaysia is a multicultural society. Its population is made up of Malays, Chinese, Indians, and many indigenous groups who live together in one country. Because of this diversity, many people can speak more than one language, including Malay, English, Mandarin, and Tamil. The people of Malaysia are also known for their hospitality, respect for different culture, and strong sense of community. They celebrate each other's tradition and live in harmony despite having different backgrounds, religions, and customs. This cultural diversity is one of Malaysia's greatest strengths. It creates a vibrant society with a rich mix of tradition, language, festival, and custom that make the country unique and welcoming to both locals and tourists.
Now we have here Malaysia's food culture. Malaysia's food culture reflects its multicultural society, blending Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous influences. This rich cultural diversity is evident in country's wide variety of traditional dishes and unique flavors. Rice is the staple food in Malaysia and is commonly served in many meals. Among the country's most popular dishes are nasi lemak, satay, laksa, and roti canai. Nasi lemak, which is shown in the picture, is considered the national dish of Malaysia. It is made with fragrant coconut rice and traditionally served with sambal, boiled egg, cucumber, peanuts, and anchovies. It may also be accompanied by fried chicken or other side of dishes. Other well-known dish is satay, which consists of skewer, grilled meat served with a flavorful peanut sauce. Laksa is a spicy and aromatic noodle soup with a different regional variants, while roti canai is a flaky flatbread that is usually enjoyed with curry or dal. In addition to these dishes, street food is an important part of daily life in Malaysia. It showcased the country's rich cultural heritage and is one of the reasons Malaysia is internationally recognized for its diverse and flavorful cuisine.
Now let's talk about Malaysia's education system. Malaysia has a well-organized education system with preschool, primary school, secondary school, and higher education. Many universities also offer quality education at affordable cost, making Malaysia a popular destination for international students. English is commonly used in many universities, making it easier for students from different countries to study there.
So now, let's talk about the major festival in Malaysia. Faith, devotion, and sacrifice. Georgetown festivals celebrate Malaysian arts, culture, and creativity through various performances and exhibitions. Wesak Day is the most important Buddhist festival promoting peace, compassion, and spiritual reflection. Lastly, the Mooncake Festival celebrates family unity, gratitude, and Chinese tradition through mooncakes and lanterns. These festivals showcase Malaysia's rich cultural diversity and the harmony among its different communities.
Next is Malaysia's currency and tourist attractions. Malaysia's official currency is the Malaysian ringgit. or Mir, which is represented by the symbol RM. Malaysia is famous for attractions like the Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur, the beautiful beaches of Langkawi, and the Batu Caves, one of the country's most well-known cultural and religious landmarks. To sum up, Malaysia is a country rich in culture, history, and diversity, from its educational system to its famous attractions.